Hi, everybody. Cardinal Timothy Dolan. You know, I was just at a meeting of an organization called the Friends of Notre Dame. Now, we're talking about Notre Dame Cathedral in Paris, and I'm honored to be on the board because the generous people of New York, remember when Notre Dame almost burned to the ground on Palm Sunday? What was it, 5, 6 years ago? And immediately, some generous people in New York came and said, we got to help Notre Dame rebuild. And in this New York community, we were able to raise $14 million to help Notre Dame rebuild. I say that because of the magnificence of that Notre Dame Cathedral. We often think of France as kind of a secularized country that has forgotten its Catholic roots. As the president of France said to us when he thanked us for raising the money, he said, when Notre Dame was burning, he said all of France was on its knees in prayer. And they realized the tremendous treasure and heritage they had in Notre Dame Cathedral. Notre Dame, of course, means Our Lady, dedicated to the Blessed Mother, the Mother of Jesus, and our own spiritual mother too. So I thought I'd get this little advertisement in for Notre Dame Cathedral and the Friends of Notre Dame during this month of May, dedicated to her.